Hello everyone, welcome to Fresh Learning Academy. If you are looking for a place that values your curiosity, passion, and desire to learn, and if you are seeking colleagues who are big thinkers, eager to take on fresh challenges as a team, then you are a future of a dash company. I will tell you what company I am talking about. So today's video is all about an opening. It might be your dream company. So let's find out what the company is and what is the job profile. So don't forget to watch complete video. So today I'm talking about the job recruitment in a reputed company. And if you would like to be a part of that company, then here is a golden opportunity for you. In today's video, I'm talking about Google. Yes, if you would like to be a Googler and if Google is your dream company, then there is an opportunity for you to be a part of this giant company, which values a broad set of technical skills. They value a person who has technology's greatest challenges and want to make an impact on millions. So, at Google, if you would like to be a part and if you would like to do something great, then there is an opening for you. So, let me talk about what the opening is and how you can apply for the same. So there's opening for software engineer in Google. So let us talk about the minimum qualification. The minimum qualification to apply for this job is bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience. Experience working with Unix, Linux, Windows or Mac environments, distributed system, machine learning, information retrieval and TCP/IP is preferable. Experience in programming in C, C++, Java, or Python is what they are looking into the candidate. So it was all about the minimum qualification, but the preferred qualification for this particular profile is master's degree or PhD. No, now let us find out what will be the responsibilities. So, research, conceive, and develop software applications to extend and improve on Google's product offering. The responsibility will also include contribution towards a wide variety of projects utilizing natural language processing, artificial intelligence, data compression, machine learning, and search technologies. Collaboration on scalability issues involving access to massive amounts of data and information. You will also be responsible for solving challenges and problems that you will be presented with. So, as a key member of a small and versatile team, your design, test, deploy, and maintain software solution will be your prime responsibility. We all know that Google software engineers develop the next generation technologies that change how billions of users connect, explore, and interact with information and one another. So the Google products need to handle information at massive scale and extend well beyond web search. So Google is looking for engineers who bring fresh ideas from all areas, including information retrieval, distributed computing, large scale system design, networking and data storage, security, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, UI design and mobile, and the list goes on and it is growing every day. So, as a software engineer, you will work on a specific project critical to Google's needs with opportunities to switch teams and projects as you and the fast paced business grow and evolve. So, these are the prerequisites if you would like to be a part of Google. Google is looking for the engineers who are versatile, display leadership qualities, and are enthusiastic to take on new problems across the full stack as they continue to push technology forward. So, now let me tell you how you can apply for the position. Also, keep in mind that I will provide the link in the description box so you can click on the link and then apply for the desired profile. One thing which you have to keep in mind is that while you're applying for this position, your application is automatically submitted to Bangalore, Karnataka, Hyderabad, Telangana. So this is the area where your application will be submitted to while you will be clicking on the link which I will provide on the description box. So you have to keep in mind about the location. So please check on the description box and then you will get every information on that particular page when you will apply for the position. So I will also suggest you to look into the same page for more details. I have, taken all the details from the particular page and I just wanted to help you out so that you all know that there is an opening with Google. So thank you so much for watching Fresh Learning Academy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also remember that I will be uploading a video soon how you can be a part of Google.